Welcome to SEO Power Suite video training series. In this video, you'll learn how to optimize content of your website's pages to make sure they propel to Google's top. You can do this with one of SEO Power Suite tools, Website Auditor. So, go ahead and launch the tool and open your Website Auditor project. As an example, let's go with www.homeworkoutsuccess.com. Here we are, in the working area of Website Auditor. You can select the page you want to optimize right here, or go to the Web Pages tab. Then, enter the keywords you want this page to rank high for. The important thing here is that you can optimize your different pages for different words and profit from multiple keyword niches as a result. Let's put fitness here to see how well the page is already optimized for this keyword and pump up its search engine rankings with Website Auditor's little content tweaks. Then, pick the search engine you want your web page to rank high in. Ranking algos differ a lot depending on the search engine, so by choosing a particular search engine here, you get specific optimization instructions for that engine. Choose any search engine you'd like right here and press Next. If the search engine you need is not on the list, simply request it to be added. Now you see Website Auditor in progress, crawling your top 10 competitors' sites to uncover the on-page secrets that help them rank high for the word you've specified. Okay, the check is done, and we have a detailed chart showing all keywords found throughout content of the web page we're optimizing right now. There's a lot of data to analyze here. You can see how many times a particular keyword is used in each page element. In the body, title, meta descriptions, meta keywords, H1 tags, and so on. For instance, the word fitness has been used 16 times. If you sort the keywords by total, you'll see that fitness is in the 9th place regarding how often it's used throughout the web page's content. Pay attention to the score column. It gives you the overall idea of how well your page is currently optimized for a certain keyword. Below the chart, you can see a cloud map with all your keywords. It gives you a visual impression of how frequently each keyword is being used in your content. The larger the keyword font, the more significant it looks to search engines. Click on a keyword to see the details specifically for it. By default, Website Auditor only displays single-word keywords. But if you're optimizing your page for a combination of words like home fitness, for instance, you can just switch to multi-word keyword workspace and find the details for word combinations right there. The workspace button right here also lets you choose detailed or compact view of the keyword table. There's also a quick filter feature to help you quickly browse through all of your keywords. Now, to see what optimization tricks Website Auditor suggests for your page, let's click on the Web Page Report tab. Here, you'll find step-by-step guidance and optimization advice for each of your page elements. There are 3 types of reports to pick from, and you can also create custom reports including only the data you need. Let's see what Page Optimization Audit Report has to offer first. Pay attention to the optimization rate. In this case, it is 34.1%. That is way too far from the maximum. So let's see how we can fix this with Website Auditor. As you scroll down the report, you'll see the optimization rates of each individual page element as compared to the average value of your top 10 competitors. The green markers here show you're close to the Google's top average. However, if the marker appears to be yellowish or reddish, that means it's the area you better start working on. Below you can find particular recommendations for each aspect of your content optimization. Title optimization, meta description optimization, meta keyword tag optimization, headings, bold or italic text, anchor texts, and so on. By looking at the keyword density, keyword count, and word totals, and comparing them to your competitors, you begin to see which areas of your content you need to start working on. So these suggestions are all based on what your top-ranking competitors have done to hit the Google's top. By building your on-page optimization strategy upon theirs, you're also making sure your website is on the right way to the top of Google. To take a walk down your content in the shoes of the Google bot, switch to the Search Engine View report. You will then see your content through the eyes of Google, except here your keywords are bolded for your convenience. To see the summary on how close to perfection your page's structural aspects are, please go to Page Structure Audit Report. Here are the statistics of your web page's content and structure, showing you any flaw a web page may have in a simple chart. It's like having a personal SEO advisor with years of experience in your particular niche right here with you. Okay, looks like you've got enough data already to actually start optimizing your content. As we see, H1 titles are not so good, so let's try and fix this. To do this, let's click on the Page Elements tab. Here, you have access to the HTML code of your web page. When you switch between the tabs, you see the corresponding page element highlighted in the source code of the page. In the Images tab, you even get a preview of the images matched to their alt tags, so that you never get things messed up. The Page Source tab shows the entire HTML code of the web page. The Page Preview tab shows you what your page looks like with the changes applied, so that you can always make sure you're on the right track. Okay, now switch to the H1 tab to see how you can add target keywords to your headlines. The current headline says Home Cardio Workouts. We can well fit our target word in here and make it Home Cardio Workouts and Fitness Guide. Okay, now it's time for you to take action and climb on top of search engine listings with Website Auditor.